This is the NSG remix.
The N to the S to the G.
Yo, are you ready for this? Yo. Waking up early just to go to uni. On a rush, no breakfast, and I'm really hungry. Trekking from Hackney, going to Kingston Town. By the time I get there, my face is on a frown. Can't afford a travel card, got me a bus pass instead. No packed lunch today, and no sunny, no spread. And I was in a rush, and I didn't wash. Man's looking at me funny, body's thinking harsh. And I feel a little weird, everyone's middle class. Got my Cockney accent, cause I'm working class. And my student loan never gonna arrive. Hackney Council, oh well, that is life. Just live my life and still gonna strive. I feel like living on the edge of a knife, making lyrics and making beats, taking a piece of the street. I'm the one and only NSG.
Oh well, I never win, and I'm always
the one and only NSG.
I ain't got a tight flow, and I ain't got much show.
I'm the one and only NSG.
And I should have some Cheerios and someone stole my stereo.
NSG.
I ain't busting on radio, and I ain't got no video. And I saved up to get my music, yeah. Eating AP noodle for 1 whole year. Add a little cheese and I'm always fat. My brethren said that I cannot rap. Girls usually don't tend to like me, screwing up their face cause they're really feisty. This girl that I like has just left me for a sniveling knock cause he's got money. I know that money don't grow on tree. Can't be bothered to get a job cause I'm really lazy. Why am I always hungry? Cause I'm a fat, I need to lose some weight. What can I do to get it straight? Go to the gym and get fit.